Hi, thanks for watching. In this video, we are going to share with you water garden design ideas. We will give you ideas that how you can design fish pond garden or water fountain and waterfall for your house, backyard or front yard garden. So this video is going to be very informative. In this video, we are also going to share with you the building procedure for fish ponds. A water garden is a beautiful and serene addition to any outdoor space, whether you have a large backyard or a small balcony. There are many water garden ideas that can help you create a peaceful oasis. One popular idea for a water garden is to create a pond. A pond can be any size, from a small container pond to large, natural-looking pond. You can add plants, fish, and other aquatic creatures to your pond to create a thriving ecosystem. Water lilies and lotus flowers are popular choices for pond plants as they add color and textures to the water. Another water garden idea is to create a fountain. A fountain can be a simple bird bath fountain or a more elaborate tiered fountain. Fountains can be made from a variety of materials including stone, concrete, and metal. They can be designed to fit in any style, from traditional to modern. If you have limited space, consider creating a water garden in a container. A container water garden can be made from any watertight container, such as a large pot or a barrel. You can add aquatic plants and other fish to your container garden. Create a mini ecosystem. Consider incorporating a waterfall into your water garden. A waterfall can be a natural-looking feature that adds a soothing sound of running water through your space. You can create a waterfall using rocks and stones or purchase a pre-made waterfall kit. Overall, there are many water garden ideas that can help you create a beautiful and peaceful outdoor space. Whether you choose to create a pond, fountain, container garden, or waterfall, your water garden is sure to bring joy and tranquility to your life.
So, as a first step, you need to follow these things. After deciding which part of your backyard or garden to build your pond, use any gear you have that is able to assist you in realizing the shape of your pond. If you are building an ecosystem pond instead of a simple water garden, make sure it is large to house living space for fishes. Outline your desired pond and the waterfall with marking paint. One tip, make sure the curves of your pond are wide. Next, lay your tubing from the waterfall filter to the skimmer. Get ready your adapters as well as cement to connect the tubing. Step 3. Finally, it is time for some hardcore garden work. Start digging around 6 to 8 feet deep, then build a plant shell and then a retaining wall by using the dirt. Once you excavate your pond area, mark another outline deeper in your pond around 2 feet deep. The area you outlined will be full of rocks. So the same thing as when you first outlined your pond wide curves. Step 4. Before installing the skimmer, back down and level the soil. Afterwards, place the tubing and the check value assembly into the skimmer through the grommet and the pump respectively. Third, attach the tubing and check valve together. Lastly, connect the overflow pipe to the back of the skimmer while ensuring the overflow hole is above water level. Once it is set up, attach a bulkhead that is leak-proof to the overflow hole and use a male adapter to connect your tubing to a drainage ditch. Step 5. Underlayments is a thin layer of cushioning that can provide insulation against heat and moisture. Lay underlayment starting from the middle and make sure you go all the way to the corners of your pond excavated area. After the underlayment, lay the liner in the same way. Step 6. Next step is to connect the liner to the skimmer with a face plate. Secondly, make 2 holes for the 2 bolts using a nail. Removing the liner, place silicone over the holes and then attach the liner and the face plate again. Install and tighten the remaining bolts. Step 7. Boulders are placed starting from the vertical wall of the pond. After the large boulders are placed, fill the pond's bottom surface with smaller boulder and drop. Step 8. The waterfall box has to be straight horizontally and vertically 1 inch slotted forward position. The liner in front of the waterfall box and mark the top bolt on opposite sides. Take out the liner and then apply silicone bead over the hole. Then place the liner back using the bolts. Retie the waterfall wire. Ensure everything is secure before trimming the liner. Step 9. Put bog plants on the plant shelf and water lilies at the bottom. Fill the pond with water. Step 10. Every drop of water from your waterfall comes from the pump, unlike natural waterfalls. Hence, it is crucial to make the limit amount of water you have to cascade down gently and beautifully, just like a waterfall.